In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create window schedule in Revit. A window schedule is a smart, auto-updating table that lists the windows in your model and their key properties. It helps you verify sizes, types, and counts, and it becomes a reliable reference for coordination and documentation. Let's build one clearly and efficiently. Start by opening the Schedule tool. Go to the View tab on the ribbon, then choose Schedules and click Schedule Quantities. If you prefer working from the project browser, you can also right-click Schedules Quantities there and choose New Schedule. Either path gets you to the same setup dialog. In the New Schedule dialog, set the category to Windows so Revit knows exactly which elements to pull data from. Give your schedule a clear name such as Window Schedule so it's easy to find later in the project browser. Then click OK to move into the Schedule properties. You'll land on the Fields tab, which controls what information appears as columns. Select the parameters you want, like family, type, width, height, level, and count. Use the Add arrow to move each selected parameter into the schedule. Don't worry if you're unsure about the perfect set on the first try. You can come back and tweak these at any point. Once your fields are added, use the up and down buttons to reorder the columns so they read logically. A common sequence is family and type first, followed by dimensions, and then level or count, which keeps the schedule easy to scan. Next, switch to the Sorting Grouping tab to control how the rows are organized. A common approach is to sort by family and type, which places similar windows together. Decide whether you want to list every individual window or show a summarized line per type. If you'd like one consolidated line per type with a total count, uncheck Itemize Every Instance. If you want each window instance listed separately, for example, for room-by-room verification, leave Itemize Every Instance checked. These settings can be adjusted anytime to suit your review needs. Click OK, and your new window schedule will appear under Schedules/Quantities in the project browser. Double-click it to open and review the results. You can drag column edges to adjust widths and confirm that the data reads clearly. If something needs refinement, open Schedule Properties from the Properties palette and adjust the fields, order, or sorting until the schedule communicates exactly what you need. With that, you've created a clean, reliable window schedule in Revit.